best baby food makers. As more parents prioritize healthy, homemade meals for their infants, the demand for the best baby food makers has grown rapidly. Families want tools that are safe, durable, and capable of simplifying meal prep during the busiest stages of early parenthood. This guide evaluates top models based on type, build quality, ease of use, functionality, and overall value. Whether you're blending purees or steaming fresh produce, these products help you create nutritious food with confidence.
Product number 1. Grownzy Baby Food Maker with Steam Basket. The Grownzy Baby Food Maker stands out as a dependable all-in-one system ideal for busy parents who want convenience without compromising nutrition. Its multifunctional design allows you to steam, blend, reheat, and defrost meals in one compact unit, reducing countertop clutter and simplifying the entire process. The included steam basket ensures even cooking, preserving essential vitamins while softening fruits, vegetables, and meats to the perfect texture for infants. Parents appreciate how intuitive the controls are. One-touch operation makes it easy to switch between functions, and the built-in timer ensures consistent results every time. The machine also features a self-cleaning mode, which is a huge time saver when juggling everyday tasks. Constructed with BPA-free materials and safety-focused engineering, the Grownzy Baby Food Maker combines reliability, performance, and thoughtful design to provide excellent value for new families.
Product number 2. NutriBullet NBY 5100 Baby Complete Food Making System. NutriBullet's Baby Complete System brings a familiar brand into the world of infant nutrition, delivering a practical setup for parents who want fast, efficient blending with organized storage. Known for its powerful motors, NutriBullet's baby version turns fresh ingredients into smooth purees within seconds. This system includes multiple storage cups with date dials, making it easy to prep weekly meals and keep track of freshness, a standout feature for meal planners. The compact blender is user-friendly, with simple push-down activation that requires no complicated programming. The materials are durable and dishwasher safe, cutting down cleanup time for parents who already have their hands full. While it doesn't include a steaming function like some all-in-one devices, it excels at pureeing and portioning, making it ideal for families who prefer preparing steamed ingredients separately. For those seeking speed, simplicity, and excellent meal prep organization, this system is a strong contender.
Product number 3. Evla's Baby Food Maker. Evla's Baby Food Maker is a favorite among modern parents thanks to its sleek look, advanced features, and emphasis on nutritional preservation. This device provides true one-touch cooking. Simply add your ingredients, press a button, and it handles everything from steaming to blending automatically. Its unique steaming technology helps retain more nutrients compared to traditional stovetop methods, giving your baby high-quality meals every time. One of its standout qualities is its self-cleaning capability, which makes maintenance nearly effortless. The water tank design is also easier to keep sanitary than many competing models, addressing a common concern among parents. Evla's includes reusable storage pouches, perfect for on-the-go feeding or portioning meals for later use. With premium materials, smart functionality, and a stylish compact build, this model delivers a high-value experience for tech-savvy families wanting convenience and quality in one system. Product number 4. Bear 2024 Baby Food Maker. The Bear 2024 Baby Food Maker offers a refined balance of performance, safety, and affordability. Designed as a multifunction device, it features a reliable steaming system, smooth blending capability, and intuitive controls that suit beginners and experienced parents alike. The updated 2024 version provides improved heating technology, ensuring even and consistent cooking results for vegetables, fruits, and proteins. Its detachable components are easy to clean, and the large water tank reduces the need for frequent refills during meal prep. The overall build quality feels sturdy, with BPA-free materials and thoughtful safety features that prevent overheating. The Bear Food Maker shines in its quiet operation, making it convenient for nighttime prep sessions while the baby sleeps. Perfect for those who want a well-rounded machine without a premium price tag, this model delivers strong value and dependable operation.
Product number 5. Chef Handy Baby Food Maker with Stainless Steel Steam Basket. The Chef Handy Baby Food Maker differentiates itself with a stainless steel steam basket, a major advantage for parents who prioritize durability and chemical-free food prep. Stainless steel resists staining and retains heat efficiently, ensuring ingredients are cooked evenly while maintaining flavor and nutrients. Paired with the unit's powerful motor, it blends ingredients into smooth purees suitable for any stage of your baby's development. This food maker features intuitive touch controls and clear indicators that simplify the cooking process. Its multifunction design allows you to steam, blend, reheat, and defrost, all within a compact, stylish appliance. Cleaning is hassle-free thanks to removable components and a design that minimizes trapped residue. The Chef Handy Baby Food Maker is ideal for parents seeking long-lasting materials, strong performance, and excellent versatility in a single appliance.